I do a quick screencast to show checkout flow and how orders are pushed to Shopify merchant dashboard for fulfillment through that integration. We will explore brand. Add this product to our cart. Checkout. Can be paid with PayPal or debit or credit. Order has been placed. We will see the order in the customer email for the purchase. We will log into our merchant dashboard and go to our orders page. And there we will see the order placed on local shops pushed to our merchant dashboard. We've also been notified on our mobile device with a little note here where the order came from, and it is fulfilled just as if the product came through our website. We can create the shipping label as merchants are used to. Choose our option, and then the product is on its way to the customer who found and discovered this brand through local shops. Thanks for watching.